Are you tired of lugging heavy items around on your outdoor adventures, making trips to the beach or park a real hassle? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, ROSONG Collapsible Wagon. The ROSONG Collapsible Wagon caught my eye with its sleek design and robust features, priced at just $44.99. If you want a reliable and sturdy wagon for all your outdoor needs, this is worth a serious look. This wagon is all about convenience. The 360 degrees rotating front wheels and ergonomic handle make it easy to maneuver, even when loaded up with groceries or sports gear. And the heavy-duty 1.2 thick steel frame can handle a lot, plus the wear-resistant PU wheels are perfect for any terrain. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're hauling equipment for a picnic or camping, it'll hold up against grass, sand, and dirt. Here's the thing though, unless you're pulling ridiculously heavy loads every time, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's definitely made for everyday use and casual outings. This is perfect for you if you often find yourself at the beach, park, or garden needing to transport various items. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can carry extremely heavy loads regularly. At this price point, it's a solid investment for convenience. Now, if the ROSONG's handle issue concerned you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, HIKMON Extra Long Wagon. Next up is the HIKMON Extra Long Collapsible Wagon, and it stands out with its impressive length and capacity, priced at $56.99. If you need something that can carry longer items and still be lightweight, this wagon deserves your attention. What makes this wagon exceptional is its extra-long design at 34 inches, which is 50% longer than most standard wagons. This means you can fit more gear like tents or beach chairs without a hassle. Despite its larger size, it only weighs 14 pounds, making it 40% lighter than other heavy-duty options out there. The sturdy metal frame can support up to 360 pounds, so you know it's built to last. Plus, the adjustable handle extends to 42 inches, making it comfortable for users of different heights. Here's why this matters. When you're loaded up for a day at the beach, being able to comfortably pull your wagon makes a huge difference. However, some users found the assembly instructions a bit unclear at first. But honestly, once you figure it out, it's easy to set up and fold down for storage. So don't let that deter you. If you're patient and willing to learn, this wagon is fantastic. This is perfect for you if you often carry long items or are heading out with family. Skip this one if you prefer a smaller, more compact option for everyday tasks. It offers great value for its size and durability. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for portability. Product number 3, PASAMIC All-Terrain Wagon. The PASAMIC Collapsible Wagon is another great find, coming in at just $31.49. If you're looking for a budget-friendly yet effective option for carrying groceries or beach gear, this one is a must-see. Weighing only 10.5 pounds, it's incredibly portable so you can carry it with one hand. The 220 pounds weight capacity is perfect for casual use, and the all-terrain wheels roll smoothly on various surfaces. Plus, the 600D Oxford fabric is tear-resistant and waterproof, meaning it can handle some spills without a worry. Here's why this matters. Whether you're on a trail or at the beach, you need something that can keep up with your activities. Now, some might say it feels a bit flimsy when fully loaded, but I'll be real with you, for light to moderate loads, it performs just fine. If you're not pushing it to its limits, you should have no concerns. This is perfect for you if you do quick errands or enjoy day trips. Skip this one if you plan on hauling heavy items regularly. It's a fantastic value considering the price. Now, if the PASAMIC's capacity feels limiting to you, the next wagon offers more room. Product number 4, Ekagoo Heavy Duty Wagon. Next, we have the Ekagoo Collapsible Wagon, priced at $33.99. If you're in need of something that offers a higher weight capacity and durability, this wagon might just be what you need. The Ekagoo wagon boasts a 370 pounds weight capacity, thanks to its premium materials and robust construction. With a spacious storage area of 140L, you can load it up with all your camping essentials, making it a fantastic choice for outdoor enthusiasts. The 360 degrees rotatable wheels allow for smooth navigation, so whether you're on a sandy beach or a bumpy trail, it handles it all. The adjustable handle extends from 21.26 inches to 28.34 inches, offering comfort no matter your height. Here's why this matters. If you're out and about often, having a wagon that adapts to your needs makes it much easier to enjoy your activities. A downside I noticed is that it doesn't come with assembly instructions, which can be frustrating. However, the design is intuitive enough that most people can figure it out without much trouble. So while it might take a minute, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking to haul heavy items for camping or picnics. Skip this one if you need something ready to go right out of the box. With great durability, it's definitely worth the investment. Let's wrap this up with one more option that's designed for maximum portability. Product number 5, FFQ Lightweight Wagon. Finally, we have the FFQ Folding Wagon, which comes in at a very reasonable $39.99. If you want a lightweight and portable option that can still handle heavy loads, you might want to check this one out. Weighing only 11 pounds, this wagon can carry up to 360 pounds, making it one of the strongest in its class. The compact design allows it to fold to a mere 5.9 inches in height, making it easy to store anywhere. The all-terrain wheels provide smooth movement, whether you're on sand or gravel, and the adjustable handle ensures a comfortable grip. Here's why this matters. When you're out with kids or gear, being able to maneuver easily can save your day. However, some users found it a bit tricky to fold back up when first using it. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. So don't let that initial learning curve scare you off. This is perfect for you if you want something lightweight yet strong for various outings. Skip this one if you're looking for a wagon that's incredibly spacious. It's a solid choice for those who value portability without sacrificing capacity. So to quickly recap, we had the ROSONG for its sturdiness, the HIKMON for length, the PASAMIC for budget friendliness, the EKAGU for heavy-duty needs, and the FFQ for portability. Trophy, if I had to pick just one, I'd go with the HIKMON because it balances capacity and weight beautifully. Avoid the PASAMIC if you need something for heavy loads, as it might not hold up under pressure. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.